Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda today in this training video, we will learn about folder actions in DMS. Although there are several folder actions available, but in this session, we will focus on deletion of a folder within DMS. Deletion of a subfolder in DMS. Objective of this training is to understand following. How can a parent folder be deleted? How can a subfolder be deleted? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. In addition to this, the user must have DMS form access. Folder actions. These are the list of folder actions available in DMS. First, new subfolder. Next, rename folder. Next, delete folder. Next, delete subfolder. Next, move folder. Next, share folder. Next, subscribe folder. Next, create document. Next, upload. Next, folder information. Next, open scan app. Next, copy folder structure. Next, link window. Next, enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted actions. Let's go through each of these folder actions one by one. Delete folder. The delete folder action allows users to remove a folder along with all of its subfolders and the documents stored inside it. A folder can only be deleted if all documents within it are checked in, preventing the removal of any files that are still being edited. The user must also have the necessary permissions to delete every document in the folder. Once confirmed, the entire folder structure and its contents will be permanently deleted. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the three ellipses next to the folder name. These are the folder actions available in the DMS. Select Delete Folder action from the list. A pop-up message will appear indicating that the selected folder will be deleted, along with all subfolders and any documents the user has permission to delete. It also warns that once these documents are deleted, they cannot be recovered from the recycle bin. The user confirms the action by clicking the OK button, and the folder, its subfolders, and the documents inside it are successfully deleted. After the deletion, an info message appears on the user screen displaying the name of the folder, its subfolders, and the documents that were deleted. Click on cross icon to close the message. Switch to the PPT. Next, folder action is delete subfolder. This action is used to delete the subfolders of a selected folder along with the documents stored in them. Deletion can only occur if the user is the folder owner or has been granted permission to delete its contents. All documents inside the subfolders must be checked in before they can be removed. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Click the three ellipses next to the folder name and select Delete Subfolder action from the list. A pop-up message will appear indicating that all subfolders and documents user have permission to delete will be removed. It also warns that user will no longer be able to restore any documents from the recycle bin once they are deleted. The user confirms the action by clicking the OK button, which successfully deletes the subfolder, its documents, and any documents within the parent folder. After the deletion, an info message appears on the user's screen showing the names of the subfolders and documents that were deleted. Essentially, this action blanks the parent folder's contents by deleting all documents in the parent folder and deleting its subfolders. Click on cross icon to close the message. So, in this video, we have covered 2 folder actions, and the rest will be explained in the upcoming videos. Thank you.